Hi, Alex. Today we're going to talk about the present simple tense. Are you ready?
Hi. Yes, I'm ready. What is the present simple tense?
Great. The present simple tense is used to talk about things that happen regularly or facts that are always true. For example, I eat breakfast every day, or the sun rises in the east.
Okay, I think I understand. How do we make sentences in the present simple tense?
Good question. For most verbs, you just use the base form of the verb. For example, I play football or she sings well.
What about the verb to be? Is it different?
Yes, it is. For the verb to be, we use different forms. We say I am, you are, he is, she is, we are, and they are.
Can you give me some examples?
Sure. Here are some examples. I am a student. You are my friend. He is happy. She is a teacher. We are excited. And they are tired.
What if the subject is he, she, or it? Do we add something special?
Yes, we do. For he, she, and it, we add an S or S to the verb. For example, he plays football, she writes letters, and it rains a lot here.
What about the negative form? How do we make negative sentences?
For negative sentences, we use do not or does not with the base form of the verb. For I, you, we, and they, we say do not or don't. For he, she, and it, we say does not or doesn't.
Can you show me some examples of negative sentences?
Of course, here are some examples. I do not like pizza. She does not watch TV, and they do not go to the gym.
How about questions? How do we ask questions in the present simple tense?
To ask questions, we use do or does at the beginning of the sentence. For I, you, we, and they, we use do. For he, she, and it, we use does. For example, do you like ice cream? Does he play soccer?
Can you give me more examples of questions?
Sure. Here are some. Do they speak English? Does she read books? Do you eat lunch at school?
This is starting to make sense. Is there anything else I should know?
Just remember that the present simple is used for regular actions, habits, and general truths. And don't forget the special rules for he, she, and it. Keep practicing and you'll get it.
Thanks for explaining. I feel more confident about using the present simple tense now.
You're welcome. I'm glad to hear that. Now that you have a good understanding of the present simple tense, let's talk about daily routines. It's a great way to practice because we use the present simple to describe what we do every day.
Sounds good. How can we use the present simple to talk about daily routines?
We use the present simple to describe actions we do regularly. For example, if you want to talk about what you do each morning, you might say, I wake up at 7 a.m. or I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Can you give me a complete example of a daily routine?
Of course. Here's an example. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I make coffee and eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. In the evening, I cook dinner and watch TV before going to bed at 10 p.m.
What if I want to talk about what someone else does?
You can do that too. Just remember to use the correct form of the verb for he, she, or it. For example, she wakes up at 7 a.m., then she exercises and eats breakfast. After that, she goes to work.
What if I want to talk about things I don't do?
You would use the negative form. For example, I don't eat lunch at the office, or he doesn't go to the gym on weekends.
And how about questions about daily routines?
For questions, you can use do or does at the beginning. For example, what time do you wake up? Or, does she go to work by bus?
Can we try making a few sentences about daily routines?
Absolutely. Why don't you start? Tell me about your daily routine using the present simple tense.
Okay. I wake up at 7 a.m., I take a shower, and then I have breakfast. I go to school at 8 a.m. In the afternoon, I do my homework and then I play video games.
That's a great job. Your sentences are clear and use the present simple correctly. Now let's try some questions. I'll ask you about your routine and you can answer. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m.
Perfect. Here's another one. Does your friend wake up early?
No, my friend doesn't wake up early.
Excellent. Keep practicing and you will get even better at using the present simple to talk about daily routines. Do you have any more questions?
No, I think I understand now. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Alex. I'm glad you feel confident. Keep up the good work and feel free to ask if you have more questions in the future.
I hope you liked this conversation. If it helped you improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.